Hey guys, we're trying something new here. We are going to try to make some fake stained glass. We found a glass panel here in the trash, and we've got black puffy paint. We drawed us a picture of some koi. Can you get that computer back on? Drawed us a picture of some koi here, and we're going to show you what it looks like, what we hope that it's going to look like. So there is our picture. Like I said, I just free-handed the fish on a piece of paper. Girls are coloring the black in with the puffy paint right now, and hopefully it's going to look like. Let me get over there a little quicker. Sorry for the mess here. We've got paper towels and everything everywhere. But hopefully it'll look like something like that. So this is the start of it. I guess this will be part one. We'll show it. But we've taped the sides down, the glass down to the table and everything so it won't move. And they're just filling in with the black puffy paint you get at Walmart or anything like that. And then for the color, you use glue, clear glue, and food coloring. So check back for part number 2, and we're gonna see how this goes. All right, y'all have a good night.